Okay, part two. This is a great question, and this is one I love to answer. Is there just a sweet spot of houses that are somewhat cheap and just need to be cleaned up and painted? Well, of course. You know, for example, where I live, I'm in Lee County, Florida. If you go a 15-minute drive from here, you're going to go to Sanibel Island. You couldn't buy a duplex for under probably $300,000. And so it doesn't make sense. There's no cash flow possibility to that. You'd be buying for appreciation, which might tie your money up for years. However, within 20 minutes, the people who clean the houses on Sanibel Island, who paint the houses, who do the landscaping, who do I said housekeeping. So I don't care where you live, within 20, 30 minutes, you're going to find average America. And this is where you find a lot of the cosmetic distress. What you're looking for is that service area with sheetrockers, painters, construction workers, etc., who could never afford to live in Sanibel but service it. And so you break your town up and you look for cosmetic distress. I would never tell a beginner to go put on a roof or fix a foundation. All you want is the least amount of work that will give you the most amount of cosmetic improvement. Now, if you're a beginner, and a lot of these are beginner questions, look at a car dealer. You take a used car dealer, they take your car in for $1,000 or $2,000, and then they wax it, they compound it, they clean the interior, they make the leather smell like leather again. And if they bought it from you for $2,000, maybe they resell it for $3,000. There's no difference. There's one big difference. No difference in buying a property that's run down, beat up shape. Paint it, clean it, jazz it. This is what we call forced appreciation. We don't wait for the market to go up. We make the market via cosmetic improvements. The difference is, if you're buying a $100,000 duplex or fourplex, you paint it, you clean it. You don't make $1,000 like the car dealer. Because you got $100,000 in, you might make $20,000. Same percentage of return, but more dollars in real estate.